Welcome. Let's begin by taking the right foot forward and the left foot back. Draw the right hip back. Lift and lengthen through the chest. Hinge forward over the front leg. Bend the knees slightly if you need to. And allow the hands to rest at the thigh, the shin, or down toward the floor. Take a deep breath in and out. And now bending that front knee a little deeper, bringing the hands to the thigh if you need to, and rising all the way back up. Draw that back foot in and switch legs by taking now the right foot back, left foot forward, draw the left hip back, lift shoulders, roll them up and down, and hinge forward over the front leg, bending the front knee if you need to, hands to the thigh, shins, or down toward the floor. Take a deep breath in and out. Now beginning to bend that front knee a little deeper, slowly rising up. Now take both legs wide, lift the shoulders, roll them back and down, and hinge forward, taking the hands to the thighs, shins, or down toward the floor. If you're more than 90 degrees down, allow the head to release so there's no tension in the neck. Connect with your breath by taking a deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Now slowly beginning to rise up, taking the toes slightly pointed out. Bend the right knee leaning to the right, and then the left knee leaning to the left. So you can stay up high like this, or you can come down deeper, bending the knee a lot more and lifting if you need to, up on that left heel. Feeling the length of the outstretched leg. And then walking the hands across the other side. And the outstretched leg toe, if you want more stretch, can be pointed up towards you. Remember, you can be in the high lunge for this. Always listen to your body going at a pace that works for you. Then coming back to center and rising up to standing, rolling out through the shoulders. Bring the feet hip distance apart, giving yourself a smile. Namaste.